Hey guys, welcome back to Shruti Arts. Once again, thank you so much for completing 500 subscribers. So today we are going to learn a really interesting topic, that how to draw face easily. So this topic was requested by Nirbhay Arts and Crafts, and today's shout out goes to this guy, that is Nirbhay Arts and Crafts. So make sure to subscribe Shruti Arts, and also if you have any kind of art related doubts, you can just ask me in the comment section, or you can just DM me on my Instagram. Here's my ID. You can go over there. I update all my things, like everything what I use, like what art supplies I use in my drawing. So make sure to follow us on Instagram, and also make sure to subscribe down there to Shruti Arts. We are going to complete 1000 subscribers soon. So after completing 1000 subscribers, I am going to draw two of my random subscribers. I'm going to choose randomly, and I'm going to draw their portraits in my style, of course. So make sure to subscribe Shruti Arts and comment down and share this video with all your friends. Let's talk about what mistake beginners make. As I have noticed in many beginners that what mistakes are there. The biggest mistake is your proportion, that you don't use any kind of guidelines and you don't focus on the proportion, which leads to an accurate face. So make sure to watch the video till the end, because I have mentioned all the mistakes that a beginner makes. All the tips will improve your face drawing, and with that I have also given a detailed tutorial about how you can draw face. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Don't skip the video at all. With that, let's start the video now. So I am going to start off with this basic paper. Now let me show you that what materials I am going to use for this drawing. So I will go for some two materials. You will need only a mechanical pencil, or instead of this you can use a basic pencil, like it's up to your choice. And I am going to use this basic eraser, and like I have a mechanical eraser with me, so I am going to go for a mechanical eraser. It's up to your choice. If you have one, I'll recommend you to go for the mechanical one, but it's up to your choice. So I'll just keep this aside, and next I will show you the next step to our drawing. So after watching this video, you will get clearly that how you can draw simple faces and draw it perfectly with all the proportions. So let's start by drawing a circle with a mechanical pencil. So as you can see, just go round and round and draw a freehand circle. If you don't know how to draw this, make sure to practice this again and again for a perfect circle. Now the next step is that you will divide this circle from the middle. So just go for it and draw a straight fine line and divide your circle into two equal parts. By this you will get two parts, that is two equal parts of your circle. Now the next step is, as I have this round over here, what I'm going to do is divide this horizontally into two parts with a straight line again. This will lead to a center of a circle, and this will help me to take all the measurements and proportions of my face. Now let's move ahead. Now I will take a simple basic pencil and measure the distance from the center to the end of the circle and draw an arc at down. And as you can see over here, I have this arc over here, and now I'm going to draw a small circle at the end of the arc which we have drawn, and like this will look like this, and you will go round and round. Make sure you practice drawing circles. So as you can see, I have these two circles, the bigger one and the smaller one. Now let's see what's the next step. So what you will do, draw two straight lines which will go downside like this, from this one and this one. And now draw the slanting lines which will join the arcs. So this will be a rough sketch for the jawline, and this will as you can see, we have got the basic shape of our face. Just we have the guidelines. Now we will go for a basic outline of our jawline. So let me tell you a difference in men and women, that the jawline of women is not very sharp like men, but many men have really sharp jawline. So make sure you show that difference if you want to draw men's face. So if you want a tutorial that how to draw a boy face, make sure to comment down in the comment section. I will make a video. Now as you can see, I have make a rough outline of my jawline. Now what you have to do is just erase few guidelines as shown. Just erase this one and the other one, that is the circle ones. So as you can see over here, I have these guidelines. Now what you will do, divide this whole head into half. Like as you can see, I have divided it into two equal parts, and this will be our eye line. So here we will draw the eyes. So just draw some lines as shown. Now at this curve I will draw one more line. So this line will be our nose line. So I will divide it again, and this will be our lips. Here we will draw our lips, and a bit above of the eye line I will draw my eyebrows. So this will be an eyebrow line. So this, I have written all the labels over here just for your understanding that what we have to draw where, like why I have drawn these guidelines. Just don't be confused. So now what I'll do is, we have drawn a basic eye line, so I will divide it into 4 equal parts. So I'll measure it to get some equal parts again with a pencil, and now I will draw 2 circles like this, which will be my basic geometrical shaped circles to draw my eyes. This will help me to draw my eyes perfectly. So as you can see over here, I have drawn these 2 circles. So this will help me to draw my eyes. And also the next step is drawing the nose. So what I will do is again draw this circle. First I will construct all the geometrical shapes as you can see over here. Now I will start off with the eyebrows. So as you can see over here, so before eyebrows, let me show you one thing, that how you have to draw the eyes. So we will start off with the eyes. So for that I'm just going to draw a almond shape like this. As you can see over here, just follow me with these steps, you will get to draw the eye. And as you can see over here, these are some simple steps. I have drawn the simple face. If you go with some patience and details, you will get a perfect face. And this is the most simplest way that how you can draw the face if you are a beginner. So if you like this method or like this video, make sure to hit the like button and comment down if you have any art related doubts and suggestions. So as you can see over here, I have drawn these 2 almond shapes. Now it's time for the eyebrows. If you haven't seen a tutorial in detail where I have shown that how you can draw eyebrows, just check it out. I have mentioned the link in the description. Go through it. In that video I have shown everything in detail about how to draw eyebrows easily. So as you can see, I have these 2 parts completed, and now let's go for the nose. So as you can see over here, I'm just making some changes in it. So these are some proportions. The eyebrows beginning will be the end of our nose. Like I have drawn these 2 lines, you will also go for the same. By this you will get the complete proportion of your nose. Many of the beginners, what they do are they draw the nose really small, which looks really cartoonish, but for the basic proportion you need to follow this. And as you can see, I have drawn something like teardrops from the eyes. This will be our proportion for our lips. And I have also uploaded a detailed tutorial about how to draw lips. You can go and check it out. So let me make some changes in the lips, and I'll draw the lips until I am satisfied with the perfect results. Now I think this is nice looking lips. Now let's start with the ears. So for the ear, the proportions are, you will draw the ears from the eyes to the nose. This is the proportion of a human ear. So don't make the ear big or really small. like it will look like a cartoon face, but make sure you go through all the proportions for getting the real human face proportions. So as you can see over here, the ears are done. So now I roughed some guidelines and make the jawline a bit perfect until I'm satisfied. So as you can see, I'm just making some changes to the curves, and if you can see, if I go for the chin over here, I will get a small face, so it will be the face of a young child or kid. If you want a face of an adult, make sure your face is a bit longer. If you want a face of baby, make sure it's a bit round and short. So now I have drawn the jawline nicely. Now I will draw some guidelines which I have drawn to get my perfect outline. So I will just use the mechanical eraser over here because the proportions are small, and this will be easily done with this mechanical eraser. So I'm just using it. You can use a basic eraser, there is no any compulsion. So you can use any kind of eraser, just erase this all guidelines and get your perfect outline. So now let's go for some details, like I'm going to go for some eye crease and also the eye bags and all the stuff like that, which will add some more realism to my drawing, to my face. So make sure you add all this feature, otherwise your face will look flat and will look non-realistic. So I'm just adding a bit of curves. So let's just finish some details and let's see what we are going to do next. So I'm starting out with this hairstyle. So I'm going to go for some long medium hairs like this, some wavy beach hairs. So make sure that there are many hairstyles, like a bunch of hairstyles. You can go for any one you like, and I'm just going like this, like some wavy thing like I'm drawing now. And I will draw a neck, the neck, and also going to go for some curve over here, some layers of the hairs. Now I will just, if you want specs, you can also go like this, draw some specs, draw some accessories like earrings, hair belt, like it's up to your choice. This will add more realistic look to your face. So let's just clean all this up, and as you can see over here, I am done with drawing our face. Now let me show that how you can just quickly shade this and how our face will look. I have just took for about 5 minutes, not 5, I have just took 2 to 3 minutes for shading this face, therefore it's not perfect. I'm just shading to show you that how it will look like. So you can shade like this. If you want a tutorial about how to shade skin, how to shade face, make sure to comment down. So that's it for today guys, hope you liked the video. If you do, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Shruti Arts and comment